Welcome. I'm Digital Micro. Thank you so much for coming to the channel. This is a channel about day trading for ROI. No trade recommendations, just a trade journal. Thank you. Please watch, subscribe, and like the video. Okay, left and right. Left chart is the S&P 500. The right is what I'm trading, the M2K. So let's start out here with the number one. Number one here is we've got a trend sell signal on the 24-hour chart. So definitely I'm going to look on the shorter time frames that are not yet confirmed, but Monday, Tuesday, I'm looking for them to confirm this triple algo sell. Number two, even though we had last week this rally, notice how truncated this M-box histogram is. Very short, stubby, barely above zero, so not impressive. And number three, we still have cumulative selling, so distribution actually increased by the end of the week on the 24-hour. Now, the 1, 2, 3 is not as much on the S&P, but I'm looking for the M2K Russell small cap to be the lead here. So there you have it. That's the chart for the week. I am going to be very patient before I start the day trading setups, because just because something triggers on a sell signal on the 24-hour doesn't mean it's going to be there on the 5 or 1 minute. So again, not a trading recommendation. The narrative lives on. So even though we had an equity rally late last week, the 5 things that I'm looking for to confirm the narrative lives on is crude oil at 86 a barrel, inverted yield curve, 2-year at 356, 10-year at 331. Fed rate hikes, that's going to happen around September 21st. High probability it could be another 50 to 75 basis points. CPI inflation remains high, and the average consumer has high debt levels. Key journal moment, the strategy is number one, to double down on the risk this season, and the season's going to be between now and the end of October. Number one is doubling down. Number two, make it easy. Number three, keep it simple. This is the basic strategy. Now, let's get to the tactics. I'm testing my strategy out by taking a number of funder trader tests for the next 4 to 12 weeks. Number two, managing risk, managing the profits, and the most important, and not lastly, but minimize and reducing risk. So I'm looking for the easy A setups, but the most important thing is minimize and reduce the risk. And if I'm able to scale my day trading funding, then that's going to be helpful for the new year. So that's where you have it before the holidays. It's risk on for the day trading ROI strategy.